Hello, my name is Hastiad, and my science project is keeping your dreams colder on summer days. You can see that I have my tools right here, and my materials are my photos and conclusion, and my procedure, and my hypothesis and question and purpose. Now I'm going to do my project. You see, I needed I'm going to put ice in these 2 cups.
It's okay.
We're going to wait for 5 minutes, and then the second time I'm going to put ice, salt, in one of them. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of ice when it's time for 5 minutes.
Okay, tell us about your board while we wait.
So the materials I use is paper, pencil, ice, 2 cups, and 2 thermometer salt, and a timer, which we're using a timer right now. My question was, what is the temperature with and without salt? My purpose is I would like to learn how to get my drinks colder than normal. My hypothesis is I think putting salt in ice will last longer, or the temperature will last longer. My conclusion is that if you put salt in ice, it will melt quicker, but the temperature will drop quickly very low. My procedure was I gathered my tools first. I gathered my tools. Second, I put the thermometer in the cups. Third, I put the temperature in the room. The room was 74 thermometer. Then I placed 1 cup of ice in each cup. On the left side, I got a tablespoon of salt. On the right side, I had no salt. Every 5 minutes, I took the temperature 3 times for 15 minutes. And these were mine when I got, this one was salt and no salt.
Tell us about those temperatures. What did you learn?
On the 5 minutes, on this one was no salt, but these other 2 were salt and these 2 weren't. The first one I tried was 40 Fahrenheit and 45 Fahrenheit. And the second time with salt, I put 32 Fahrenheit and 39 Fahrenheit. When it was the other 5 minutes, it was 21 Fahrenheit and 37 Fahrenheit. So it dropped very low. And my pictures, you can see crystals forming on the ice for the salt, and this was regular plain ice. And here you can see the sweat and the ice coming, like the ice coming out. And you can see more right here. And this is I took the picture of the inside of the thing. Has it been 5 minutes?
Almost.
And I didn't take a picture of the thermometers, but you can see right here. You guys see the crystals forming right here?
You said those were salt crystals?
They're forming from the salt. And I also learned, if you look up, people use salt to take out ice, but it still drops. The floor drops very low. That's what I learned on the computer. And on the I also took a picture of these 2 up to, so both of them, you see these 2? You see them? You can see the thermometer and these, but you can see the inside. This one wasn't like this one yet. It was barely forming, and this one was melting very slow. And right now I could pass it around, and you could feel the temperature coming out of
the mug
cup.
Yes. Okay, we would like to see that. Okay, you want to go ahead and try it?
This one is 44.
Okay.
And this one is 42.
Put them back in, both of them.
Now for the second time, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt.
Is that regular salt?
Yes.
Okay.
On this one. you guys want to see it right here, I'll pass it around if you guys want to see it. You can also hear it. Sounds like the Rice Krispies, but has salt in them.
It sounds like Pop Rocks.
And over here on the other one, it's like this melting very slow. The temperature is still good. We're gonna wait another 5 minutes, so it can be 10, and then the 15, it'll drop very low.
Okay.
They never pass it to us. They
It's
didn't
fine.
pass the ball to us either. And I have some salt left over. Right now, Miss Garcia will hear the sound. And right now, you can see the crystals forming.
You can hear it freezing.
And you can also see the crystals.
I also feel it getting really cold.
I can't see the crystal. I see salt. Nice.
If you want to see it inside,
Thank you.
you know,
Can you
wait
tell us about
another.
the temperature now?
It used to be
It's
42.
it's 5 minutes already.
Pretty close.
This one is around 40, and this one is still like almost 45 or 46.
Okay.
They're gonna wait another 5 minutes. Thank you.
Awesome.